all of you have been asking about is the Apple AirTags, priced about $3,190. You can find your keys, bag, wallet, briefcase. Works very, very well, very easy to use. No buttons on the AirTag. All the communication on the AirTags are encrypted. Let's see, what did we think about it?
How often do you lose your keys, wallet, or perhaps a TV remote? Studies show that the average person loses 7 to 9 items a day and might spend upwards of 15 minutes looking for them. Add it up and that's a whole lot of time wasted. What if there was a better way to solve the problem? What if there was a smarter way to find where you left your keys? Well, enter the Apple AirTags. Design-wise, the Apple AirTags are created to be discreet. The location tracker can easily pass off as a small battery or even a luggage tag. The chrome-plated device is encased in plastic and is small enough to slip away into wallets and yet powerful enough to work well at any distance. Inside the AirTags is a simple Bluetooth low-energy chip as well as an ultra-wideband chip. Surprisingly enough, Apple has even included a replaceable battery. Now, who would have thought that? There are no buttons here and the pairing process is typically straightforward as with any Apple product. Head to the Find My app on your iPhone and the tags will show up under the Items tab. The app is also where you control everything the AirTag can do. Not only you can name them, but in case you have lost them, it is possible to make the AirTags chirp using the surprisingly loud onboard speaker. The real magic, however, happens with the ultra-wideband chip. If you have a supported iPhone, which is any iPhone starting from the iPhone 11, you can use the Find My app to find the tags using a virtual arrow on the screen that directs you to where the AirTags are. Now, losing objects at home is one thing, but what if you forget your bag when you're out and about? Well, Apple has a solution for that. The AirTags can tap into Apple's entire Find My network and find the lost object anywhere in the world as long as there's an iPhone nearby. And with over 80 million iPhones sold in the fourth quarter of 2020, there's a good chance that your AirTag can ping an iPhone around it nearly anywhere in the world. All communications to and fro the AirTag are encrypted, and if marked as lost, all a user has to do is tap the tag and a pop-up on the finder's phone will show selected information like a message or phone number. The best part, even Android users can tap a lost AirTag to find the owner. And no, AirTags cannot be used to track a person. In case the AirTags get separated from the owner's device, nearby iPhones will be informed that an AirTag is moving with them. If you're prone to losing things, you owe it to yourself to get some AirTags. The product is a classic example of Apple's deep integration and focuses on ease of use. While the idea isn't new, the proof is in the implementation, and Apple can leverage its ecosystem of millions of phones to offer a product that just works. Unfortunately, the convenience does not come cheap. A single unit is priced at 3,190 rupees, while a pack of 4 will run you 10,900 rupees.